And guys, for me, this is not the first time seeing something strange. Growing up in Durban, there was a place that used to sell slightly used caskets. Like, they were really slightly used and they were very reasonably priced. Hello, Sunny Bonani, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are having a good week and a good start of the month of July. Guys, things are happening in the world. Things are happening, and it doesn't matter where you are. Before we even start anything, we start the show, I just want to share something that I saw on the internet today. You know, we are all home. We are doing a lot of online shopping. We are doing a lot of internet browsing. And there I am trying to find myself some bargains online, because obviously I can't go to the shops because of lockdown and the restrictions, even though now shops are open, but we are still warned not to go to the shops. So let me show you my latest find on the internet. Don't I go to Take a Lot? Don't I find a coffin on sale, guys? On sale, like for home delivery. And it even has terms and conditions. They say no returns are allowed. I'm like, what if it's the wrong size? What if it doesn't fit? Like, did they really expect us to die so badly that they're now selling us coffins and caskets online? And then I thought, this is crazy. How does South Africa allow that? Please let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you think this is a good move for our country to be selling caskets and coffins online for home delivery. I do not know the reasoning behind it, but I would like to hear what you think of it. And then, lo and behold, we are not the only country that's doing it. A very famous supermarket in Canada, America, and they also in a lot of European countries, Costco, they're selling caskets as well. Here we go. You can also buy it online. And they even say, due to high demand, delivery times may be longer than expected. Thank you for your understanding. Like, guys, due to high demand, delivery may take longer than expected. They even thank you for your patience. Seriously, guys, is this where we are? Is this where we are as the world, not as a country? Because this is not a South African problem. And then you would think this is all. These are the only two. Ikea, and of course IKEA is gonna come with a cheaper version. Of course IKEA has got you sorted, girl. Don't even stress. You've got IKEA. IKEA has got you. €68.99. Like, guys, €68.99. And okay, let me read this for you, because I don't even want you to think I'm lying or I'm crazy. And if you want the links, I will leave the links below for you, so that you can see that I'm not even making this thing up. This is not photoshopped. This is not photoshopped. This is the real thing. I will leave the links for you guys. It says meatball giant and furniture retailer IKEA has launched a range. Listen, you're buying your casket where you buy your meatballs. And they have launched a range of coffins for the budget conscious bereaved. The Crow range of coffins, which contain over 2,300 separate components packed into 13 boxes, can be rapidly assembled by a team of 6 people using a range of industrial power tools in just 10 days. It takes 10 days, which means you must buy it as soon as you suspect that somebody's going to die, so that you have 10 days to put it together, so that by the time they die, it is ready. Like, yeah. It goes on to say a lot of other things, which I just don't have time to read, but it says each coffin comes with a 120-page instruction manual in Japanese and a lifetime or 10-year guarantee. So you can go and check after 10 years if it's still in good condition, and you can return it before the 10-year ends if you are no longer happy with the quality. They say it comes with a lifetime or 10-year guarantee, whichever is shorter. Customers can add internal bookshelves and an Alexa speaker to customize their purchase. Reviews have been good so far, although no, guys, you have to read this thing yourself, because I'm not believing my own eyes. I feel like I'm bewitched. I'm seeing things that I'm not supposed to be seeing. But yeah, you want a casket for your loved one, go to Ikea. They deliver at home. You just need, what did they say, 10 people, and it takes 10 days to assemble. Or you can go to your Costco, a Costco near you, and the Costco one actually looks nice. But for the price, I think I want to be a money conscious bereaved. For the price, I would go for the 68 euro instead of the $1,599. And yeah, and in South Africa they've got this, the coffin. It's a nice basic coffin. It's $4.99. I don't know if you can add some stuff to personalize it. I am not sure. But here we are, guys. This is what we have come to as the world, not as a country. As the world. This is what we have come to. Let me read what it says with the Take a Lot one. It says the most popular and traditional style veneer coffins are manufactured using real wood. The wood veneer is laminated either onto chipboard, machine cut, and hand polished with a variety of wood effects. Opens at the top or bottom. Like, guys, what else can you ask for? You can get your casket delivered. I don't know. I want to hear your views about it. It even has reviews on. Okay, nobody has written a review yet. I doubt that any of the users will be able to write a review. But then if we are bearing people with Alexa speakers, very soon we'll be able to hear their reviews about the comfort of the caskets. Yeah, so guys, please let me know what you think of this. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do make sure you subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free, 100% free, mahala. And guys, for me, this is not the first time seeing something strange. Growing up in Durban, there was a place that used to sell slightly used caskets. Like, they were really slightly used and they were very reasonably priced. So now we are buying them with our online shopping. Can I have a pair of shoes and a casket, please? I'd love to have a bunch. Like, guys, I don't know. I don't know what the world has come. I don't know. I don't even know what to say. But having grown up in Durban, we did have a shop that was selling slightly used caskets. And people used to buy them. And sometimes they will have just a few stains of blood. But then at Durban, they also sell slightly used toilet papers. So anything can be sold in Durban. But with the caskets, it's because of religion. We have two main religions, one being the Shembe, the other one being the Muslims. They bury on the ground. But you're not allowed to take the body out of the morgue without a casket. So they would rent a casket from the morgue or buy it. But when they bury, I know with the Shembes or the traditional Zulus, they wrap you with the skin of the cow that will be slaughtered for your funeral. And then they put you directly into the ground. We call it Igumbi. I don't know what it's called in Zulu. So they resell the casket because it's only to transport the body from the morgue to the burial site. So yeah, that's how we ended up having a slightly used caskets. But some of them were very questionable because they already had, like, we could tell, this is sand, man. This one has been underground. But what can you do when you are broke and you need to bury your person? What can you do? Even after the 1989 when we had the floods, people were selling blankets. And you could tell, like, this blanket is from the floods that came from the grave site. But yeah, this is what it has come to. Please let me know, would you buy? Please answer my ask. Would you buy a casket for yourself or your loved one from online, from Take a Lot in particular.